Leveling your TRCB refrigerator is an important step to ensure your unit runs properly. To see how to properly unpack your unit, please refer to our video, Receiving and Inspecting Your Unit. Once properly unpacked, you can install the supplied casters. Then move the TRCB to the spot where it will be used in order to level the unit properly. Once in place, put a level on top of the TRCB. Be sure to check the level from side to side, as well as front to back. If the unit is not level, loosen the bolts on the caster that needs to be heightened. Using the provided caster shims, slide 2 shims onto the bolts, one for each side of the caster. Use no more than 3 shims a side when adjusting the height. Once the shims are in place, tighten the bolts. Then recheck the level on the cabinet. Be sure to check the level from side to side, as well as front to back. For additional assistance or questions, please contact True's Technical Service Department at 1-855-372-1368.